Bueno, estoy yo no claro.
Yeah, by the way, my name is Gilbert. I've been here in Rwanda for more than 29 years. I came here in early 95 and I work with so many companies in the country and I see how the country has been developed. Yeah. Very high speed. Finally, I got my citizenship and I'm very proud to be one of them, one of the Rwandese citizens. And today, I believe that this is my right to choose. I'm very happy and I'm very, I'm very surprised the way how the Commonwealth of Rwanda has been organized the election. Very well organized and very peaceful. It cannot compare, by the way. If I may say, in my current country, in the Philippines, election is always trouble every now and then. Because, I don't know, it's sad to say that the people doesn't accept. For me, with my 29 years experience in Rwanda, it's what I can say, it's very peaceful and it's very well organized and people follow and obey the rules and regulations during the election. This is what I'm very happy with.
Koloba, welcome. My name is Frederick Golobamtevi. I'm an independent researcher and analyst. Your Excellency, I've had the good fortune to follow you around throughout this campaign. And there are two issues that have come to my mind that I thought I should ask you about. One of them is almost at every rally, you've been giving this message to young people to step up and take responsibility for the gains Rwanda has made in the last 30 years. You keep going back to it at every rally. And I've been wondering, is there a deeper message in this, or is this just what we see? Are you saying something deeper than what seems apparent? The second question, Your Excellency, is watching all your rallies, it strikes me that the RPF is a formidable political machine. Clearly, anyone who looks at it can see it. I'm wondering what it is that you and others in the RPF are doing to ensure that when you're gone, this thing we see going up doesn't go down.
Yeah, well, really the message, whether deeper or what it has been all along, is the young people understanding and feeling that they are the ones who hold responsibility for their lives, the lives of everybody in the country, and especially in the near future, they are the leaders. It's what I'm raising and alerting them about. It's not tomorrow that I tell them that. It should be yesterday that they became aware of that. So that is the only essence, the real essence of repeating that message. And the progress that has been made, that people refer to under the RPF and so on and so forth. Yes, in fact, happened. Even the liberation itself happened with the young people taking responsibility for all that. Even when I became president, I think I was still in my 30s. And the others who are everywhere doing different important things are much younger than me. So I'm only telling them that it is now that you young people should be thinking about this responsibility you have to yourselves and to the country. So that is, and again, it actually links with the second question you asked. Once people grow up understanding their responsibilities and that things that don't happen, or that you don't wait until somebody else comes to your rescue and helps you on different things. It is that group of people that from whom there will emerge leaders who step forward and even be leaders of this country in one way or another. And with the sense of responsibility comes the understanding of the story where you have come from and where you are and where you want to be. So if there has been some level of success with my leadership, it can't be me alone, but also it doesn't mean that it is only me alone that can succeed. as we lead this country. So it just comes from that conversation, it comes from the experience, what you see, the results, and the moment you go through a number of years following the story and associating the message with the results, I think many people are formed by that and are helped by that to go beyond just the ordinary and thinking they are there just to be led, but also can aspire to lead. That's what gives, otherwise there is no mathematical formula that you can apply and say this and this and this and this put together, you will always come out like that. So this is why I'm saying I cannot tell what is going to happen when the current crop of leaders, whether it is the RPF or government, that what will follow will either be a disaster or will be better, or I have no formula to, and I think nobody has that formula anywhere, whether here or anywhere else. But you keep investing the right way. You invest in people, like through education, for people to have good health, and but also to have clarity of mind as to what countries, people, societies are, and what these real aspirations are. And they are the only ones, they are mainly the ones who can make things happen. So I have no other way of telling, of foretelling what, but I try to do what I think matters in preparation for the future by the people that are around, especially the young people who, and what I see encourages me now when throughout the campaigns and campaign rallies, I think you can see people and feel assured that they are there for a purpose, they know what they are doing, maybe, and they will do it when that time comes.